quickly go over how to put in an exponential equation into Excel and make that work. So here I'm just going to do the single pool exponential model. You can see sort of the depiction of what that looks like here if you aren't looking at your homework right now. So this is the PCB concentration in fish at time t. And to estimate that for each of the times over here, we use the estimated initial concentration and multiply that times e to the negative kt, where t is the time and k is the decay rate of PCB. Okay, so for this model, we're going to use the elapsed time over here and not the year, because this is just time since 1975, which is when the first measurement was taken, and it makes estimation a little bit easier for statistics programs, so that's why we're doing that. You can ask me more about that if you're interested. But at any rate, how do we make this give us an estimate or a prediction? So here I've just put in a couple values. These aren't the real values that you'll be putting in for the decay rate and for the initial concentration, but we'll start here. So you always start an expression in Excel with the equal sign, and then the first thing we need is the initial concentration, so we do that here. And I don't want that cell to move as I copy this formula down in the column. So on a Mac, I put in the dollar signs just by doing Command T. On a PC, you can do that really quickly with just the F4 key. Okay, so then I'm going to multiply that times e, or exponential, and in Excel you just do exp. That's that function, and then we want to do the negative. Here's k, and I don't want that to move either, so I do the Command T or F4 again, times the time. And we're here again, we're using the elapsed time. And I do want that cell to move down as I copy the formula down, so I leave that alone and just end the expression there. So that's pretty much it. And there is our first estimate for PCB concentration in fish at 1 year after 1.3 years after 1975. And I can just copy that all the way down, just like that. And then that's everything we need for making the predictions for the first model. All right, and that's it.